First, we are going to write the include file. I have written iOS stream. You can write any other file. Then using namespace std is important. Then you have to write that. Then you have to write int main, and in int main you have to write float, and in float I have used the character x s l b h. You have to write this many characters. You can write it at any form. I have written it that. Then you have to write enter 1 for square, enter 2 for rectangle. This slash and n is used to, it will go to the next line. For circle, n to enter, 4 to exit. If you will enter 1, so I have defined here, if x is equal to 1, then what is going to be? Yeah, x is equal to 1, then there is going to be, you have to write cout, and you have to write enter value of the one side of square in centimeter. I have made this program in centimeter. You can make in this any form. Then we are going to write scene, and I am going to write s for side. Then perimeter. The perimeter of square is s into 4. I have written that s star 4. The star is used for multiplication in C++. And area is equal to s into s. Then we are going to print area and perimeter. So you can see that we have printed. Then we are again going to ask enter 1 for square, enter 2 for rectangle, and enter 3 for circle. Yeah, we are going to enter this, and we have to enter also to this. We have to enter 4 to exit. It is important. So I am going to add that. So you have to add that, and then you have to add if x is equal to 1, go to square. So this is square. So if you press 1 again, then it will go to this program. If you press 2, then it will go to this program. If you press 3, then it will go to down program. Okay. If you press 4, then it will go to here, return 0. Yeah, it will go to return 0. Then in the rectangle, we have asked the user if x is equal to 2. If user press 2, then this is going to be there. Then you have to ask the user enter length of rectangle in centimeter. Yeah, length, and then you have to ask enter breadth of rectangle in centimeter. Then I have perimeter of rectangle is 2 into bracket L plus B. I have written this, and area of rectangle is L into B. Then we are going to print area and perimeter. Then we are going to again ask the user what number you have to place. If you press 1, then it will go to square. If you press 2, it will go to 2. If you press 3, then it will go to circle. Yeah. And if you press 4, then it will be exit. Yeah. If x is equal to 3 for circle, if x is equal to 3, then we are going to ask the user radius of circle in centimeter. And then we are going to write scene and write r for radius. Perimeter. The perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. So we have 2 into pi is equal to 3.14 into r. Then area of circle 3.14 into r, because the area of circle formula is pi r square. So we have written that thing. Then we are going to print perimeter and area. Then we are going to write it again. So yeah, that if you press anything, then it will go to next. And you can see that our program has been end. So I'm going to compile and run it. Okay, so let's take 2 for rectangle and hit enter. then you will say that enter length of the rectangle in centimeter has been. I am going to enter 12 and breadth is going to be 10. So you can see that 44 centimeter and 120 centimeter square has been that. Then again it asks enter 1 for square, enter 2 for rectangle, enter 3 for circle, enter 4 to exit. Then I am going to write 1 and hit enter. Then it will ask the value of square. Then I am going to enter 6 centimeter. Then it will be shown that enter 24 centimeter is perimeter of square and 36 centimeter square is area of square. Then I am going to write 3. Then I have to enter radius of circle in centimeter. I am going to answer it 20. So you can see that the perimeter of circle and area of circle has been come. Then I am going to press 4. Then what will happen? It will going to be exit. So you can see that the return with the value of return 0 has been, we have written return 0. So it will return to value 0. And so you can see that our program is run, and hope you enjoy the video, and I hope also you learn that. Okay, so thanks for watching.